In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an frequently asked questions section to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add the frequently asked questions section. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click Apps from the top menu to open the App Center. Search for Frequently Asked Questions, then select the Frequently Asked Questions app from the results. Click Add, then connect to install it on your website. Return to the editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. Decide where you want the Frequently Asked Questions section to appear, then drag a section element onto your page. From the left menu, open Installed Apps and drag the Frequently Asked Questions app into the section you just created. Click the Frequently Asked Questions app to open its settings. Add your questions and answers, then customize the appearance by changing options such as the layout, colors, and the number of frequently asked questions items to display. Preview your website to make sure the frequently asked questions section looks the way you want. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add an frequently asked questions section to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.